Welcome back to Knowledge Hub GPT, your go-to source for the cutting edge in technology and innovation. If you're passionate about the future as we are, you're in for a treat today. We're diving into the latest breakthrough that's setting the AI world abuzz. A new fighter has entered the ring, Claude 3, brought to us by the visionaries at Anthropic. Imagine a digital landscape where limitations are just myths of the past. That's the promise of Claude 3. Released just this month, Claude 3 is not one, not two, but three distinct models designed to cater to a spectrum of needs. Haiku, Sonnet, and Opus. Each model is a testament to Anthropic's commitment to push the boundaries of what AI can achieve. First in line, Claude 3 Haiku. It's fast, it's efficient, and it's here to revolutionize enterprise applications. It has unmatched processing speeds and a knack for handling large datasets at a fraction of the cost. Haiku is the agile solution businesses have been waiting for. Then there's Claude 3 Sonnet, the perfect harmony of speed and intellect. Sonnet bridges the gap with its ability to process complex data and provide insights with unparalleled accuracy. It's the balance every enterprise needs. And the crown jewel, Claude 3 Opus. This is where Anthropic has truly outdone itself, an AI that doesn't just assist you, but collaborates with you. Opus is not just any model, it's a multimodal marvel, capable of understanding and generating both text and images with near-human fluency. Opus is designed for the thinkers, the creators, the innovators. Whether you're designing groundbreaking architecture, composing the next hit song, or crafting an epic storyline. The magic of Claude 3 lies in its potential to transform. Imagine more accurate medical diagnosis, personalized education, art that moves you, and innovations that we haven't even dreamed of. Claude 3 isn't about what AI can do, it's about what we can achieve together with AI. Now let's just take a quick look at how it compares with one of its competitors, GPT-4, developed by OpenAI. GPT-4 is known for its deep conversational prowess and understanding of complex language nuances. Claude 3, with its unique proposition, multimodal capabilities, especially in its Opus model, which can process both text and images, expanding its utility far beyond text-based tasks. Speed and efficiency are where Claude 3 shines, particularly with its Haiku model tailored for rapid data analysis, offering a cost-efficient solution without sacrificing performance. This makes it especially appealing for businesses in need of quick turnaround times. On ethical AI and safety, both models prioritize minimizing biases and ensuring user-friendly interactions. However, Claude 3 introduces a novel feedback loop system, aiming for continuous improvement in response quality and ethical considerations. Lastly, Claude 3 stands out with its advanced context window, allowing for longer and more detailed conversations. This feature is key for those requiring depth and coherence in their interactions. So you can see now why Claude 3 is making waves in the AI community and how exciting its release was this month. Now before you head out, don't forget to give us a like and subscribe to our channel, and tune in next time to Knowledge Hub GPT for more of the latest and greatest in AI. And don't forget to check out Claude 3.